Let me ask you, are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and dreaming of something bigger? Imagine this. By 2025, you could have a side hustle that doesn't just pay the bills, but makes you wealthy. The secret? Small steps, huge results. Now stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you proven side hustles that can help you escape the matrix, starting today. Here's the thing. Most millionaires today didn't rely on just one income stream. They started with a side hustle, something small that grew into something life-changing. Whether you're looking to earn an extra $500 a month or turn your passion into a full-time business, the time to start is now. And the best part? You don't need a huge investment to begin. If you have a way with words, freelance writing is your golden ticket. Websites, blogs, and businesses are always hungry for content, and they pay well for quality work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect writers with clients looking for articles, copywriting, or even ebooks. Start with small gigs, build a reputation, and watch your income grow. E-commerce is booming. Whether you sell handmade crafts on Etsy, trendy products through dropshipping, or digital printables, platforms like Shopify make it easier than ever. You don't need a warehouse, just a good idea and the willingness to get started. Are you good at math, science, or even languages? Online tutoring can be a highly rewarding side hustle. Websites like tutor.com connect you with students worldwide, allowing you to share your knowledge while earning money. Plus, you can do it from home. Real estate is a powerful wealth-building tool. Even if you can't buy a house yet, you can start small, like managing short-term rentals through Airbnb. Transform a room or unique space, list it, and let it pay for itself. Businesses need social media to thrive, but they don't always know how to manage it. If you understand Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can manage accounts, create content, and charge clients for your expertise. It's fun, creative, and in demand. Affiliate marketing is all about sharing products you love and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or even use TikTok to recommend tools, tech, or services. Once you build an audience, this becomes a passive income goldmine. Here's the thing. None of this works unless you start. Pick a side hustle that excites you, set small goals, and take action every single day. Consistency beats perfection. The sooner you start, the closer you'll get to financial freedom. Imagine being the person who changes your family's story. Imagine having the freedom to live life on your terms. These side hustles aren't just ways to make extra money, they're pathways to your dreams. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, and by 2025, you could be the success story you always dreamed of. Good luck. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button.